Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Bold Reports. Bold Reports allows you to create and configure data sources and datasets dynamically in an ASP.NET Core application within the index.cshtml page. In this video, you'll learn how to dynamically configure data sources without manually configuring them each time. First, let's run the application. As you can see, the report designer is displayed. Initially, there are no data sources or datasets visible in the data panel. Let's look at how to add them dynamically. I'll open my ASP.NET Core application, where the report designer is already integrated. You can refer to the link in the description if you need help integrating the Bold Reports report designer into an ASP.NET Core application. In the project, I'll navigate to the View folder within the index.cshtml page, where the Report Designer component is initialized. Here I'll attach the Create event, which is triggered when the designer is initialized. This allows us to inject the data source and dataset during startup. Next, let's define the data source and dataset objects in JavaScript. I'll create the data source object, specifying the connection string, credentials, and provider details required to connect to the SQL Server database. Then, let's create the dataset object. I'll define its fields. Now we can implement the control initialize function. Inside this function, I'll access the report designer instance. Add the data source to the designer, and then add the dataset. This order is important because the dataset depends on the data source. Now we can run the application again. When the report designer initializes, the control initialize function is executed. As you can see, the AdventureWorks data source and dataset are now available in the data panel. This confirms that the data source and dataset have been successfully created and added dynamically from the application. In this video, I've shown you how to create a data source and dataset dynamically in a Bold Reports ASP.NET Core report designer using the Create Event and Client-Side API. By adding the data source and dataset programmatically, you can control your reporting environment at runtime. This approach is useful when working with dynamic databases, configurable queries, or automated report setups. Thanks for watching.